The Morimoto X3B third brake light is designed for the 18 to 20 Ford F-150s, offering a stylish and functional upgrade. Its modern design features pronounced quad light optics that are just as effective as they are attractive. Four jewel-like optics molded from optical grade clear polycarbonate paired with powerful red 3-watt LEDs create a high-intensity brake light setup that's easily visible both day and night. Additionally, an optional F1 style rapid flash module is available for enhanced safety. The X3B isn't just about looks. Its rail-style bed lights are strategically engineered to eliminate dead spots, providing practical illumination for truck bed use. Moreover, it complies with all DOT and SAE regulations for rear-facing lamps, ensuring both style and safety for truck enthusiasts. Installation of the X3B is super simple. Start by removing the 4 T20 torque screws holding the brake light in place. Pull the brake light away from the vehicle. Locate the plastic clip inside the truck cab and press down to release them. Slide the connector wiring over to the right, disconnect the connection and remove the third brake light and set it aside. Remove the 2 plastic clips from the cab opening by first squeezing them together and then removing them. Set these aside. Fully clean and dry the mounting surface on your truck using either rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. We recommend one final wipe with the rubbing alcohol. All adapters are included, whether you have a camera or non-camera. If you have a camera, use these 2 adapters, and if you don't have a camera, use these adapters. If you're installing the rapid flash module, unclip the wiring harness from the back of the X3B brake light, plug the female connector into the X3B brake light, plug the X3B brake light harness into the male connector of the flasher module. Peel back the wrapper from the double-sided tape on the flasher module, stick and secure the module onto either the back of the X3B brake light or inside the light cavity. Remove the paper liner from the gasket on the back of the light to expose the adhesive. This adhesive gasket is a one-time use, so you will only have one chance to install it properly. Align the clips with the square holes and install the light without the screws. Give the light a good push and the clips will engage. You may or may not hear them click into place. Turn the truck on and go through all modes to ensure proper functionality. Install the 2 outboard screws reusing your stock hardware. Do not over-tighten these screws. All that's left to do is to enjoy your new X3B brake light with rapid flash.